How to fix Safari cannot open the page because the server cannot be found issue on your iPhone. If you're having this issue constantly on your iPhone device, then to solve this issue, this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, what you need to do is launch your setting on your device. Once you are on your settings, there you will see screen time option. Simply tap on it. From there, scroll down there, you will see content and privacy restriction. Make sure that content and privacy restriction is toggled off. Once you check that, go back to the settings homepage and tap on general. From there, you need to go to the software update and check if any update is available. If there is any update, then simply hit on the update now button and check if any VPN device is connected to your mobile device. Make sure that no VPN is connected. Once you check all of this, you have to reset your iPhone. So tap on transfer or reset iPhone and reset all of your settings. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.